Hello, everyone. How's everyone doing? Good. Okay, kind of lackluster, but I only got 5 minutes, so I'll roll with it. Anyways, so my name is Alexander, and I'm the founder of TransKey. Now, TransKey is in the business of breaking down language barriers. And we do that through a chat translator. Now, the way this works is that you can chat with anyone in pretty much any language without ever having to leave your favorite communication service. And it's super simple to use. You just type out your message in whichever app you prefer, in whatever language you're comfortable with. You switch to the TransKey keyboard, which is one click only, and you tap translate. That's really it. It's that simple. And when I said you can use this in whichever app you want, I meant that. You could, for example, use it in WhatsApp. You could use it in iMessage. You could even use it in Facebook. Heck, you can use it pretty much anywhere. And the best part is, you can get it right now. Simply head on over to the iOS App Store and give it a try. And don't worry, yes, it's free. Now, the idea behind TransKey was actually conceived a few years back when I noticed how my dad struggled to switch back and forth between his email and translation apps. Copy and paste, copy and paste. I'm sure you're all familiar with it. And so I thought to myself, there has to be a better way of doing this. And sure enough, there was. It just didn't exist yet. So I set out to create it. Now, TransKey, compared to the alternative, TransKey offers you a sort of continuity in your conversation, as if you were both speaking the same language. It's a true Babelfish-like experience. And yes, that's from Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy, a great movie, even better book you should check it out if you haven't already. But I digress. So fast forward to today, and TransKey is seeing more than 10 million translations per month. We have over 250,000 users for millions of downloads across 170 countries, over 2,500 of which are currently subscribed to, and yes, paying for our premium tier. And all of this has been achieved without spending a single dime on marketing. You think I'm kidding? No, really, I mean it. Zero spend on marketing. It's right here on this board. And the way we accomplished that was through three things: a hefty focus on App Store optimization, or ASO for short, partnering with smaller YouTubers for free, and the occasional feature in a blog or two. And going back to that freemium model I spoke of before, why would anyone want to pay, you ask? Well, that's a great question. TransKey Premium gives you access to unlimited, higher quality translations between more language pairs than you would get on the free tier. And all of this can be yours for less than 1/5 the cost of a small latte at Starbucks each month. And that brings me to UFirst, this wonderful program hosted by the amazing people over at Underscore that has me standing right here today talking to all of you. Being a technical founder, my main goal going into UFirst was to take TransKey to the next level, to learn more about what it takes to build and scale a business, not just a product. And if I have to mention one thing, one takeaway from it all, it's this: know your customer. Know who they are, know why they're using your product, and how they would feel if they couldn't anymore. And with that being said, I would love to ask everyone in the audience with an iPhone to pick it up right now and install TransKey. Like I said, it's free to download and even comes with a free trial to the premium tier, so really you've got literally nothing to lose. And if you're one of the many people that already has TransKey, that's great. Come chat with me after. I would love to hear your feedback. And to wrap things up, I would like to say this: if we achieved all of that without spending any money on marketing, imagine what we could achieve if we did. And so if you happen to know a great growth marketer or an agency looking for a project, send them my way. Thank you.